Installing keepers and retainers. My valve grinding holding mandrels. That's what these are right here. These things are small. Put a little grease on the valve grooves so it holds the this one right here. Spring retainer. Let's see how it turns. Got a center right in the valve. Decided to use my piston right here is from a diesel. Check that out. It's putting all my retainer or keepers inside the piston makes a nice little cup to put your retainers in there. Keepers. Put a little grease on the valve stem. Holds the keeper on there. You can see that stays right on there. Release. Last one. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Last one. This air-powered spring compressor makes a big deal. Makes a big difference. There you go. Should stay right on there. There you go. That's how you do it. Let's see, you got them all on. Turned out really nice.